this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Lovable AI subscription. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and then select settings. Now from here, we want to go to plans and credits. You will then select your plan here and click on manage. And you want to choose invoices and payments. Once you select invoices and payments, it is going to take you to the page here where you can cancel your subscription or update it. I will click on cancel subscription. Once you select cancel subscription, then here it is going to tell you that it is going to be available until the end of your billing period. So you can just click on cancel subscription. And once you have selected that option right here, you will get the green check mark and your subscription for Lovable will be canceled. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.